Hi, Reese. Can you tell me, why does it get dark outside?
Because it gets dark because the sun goes down.
That's right. That's right. Very good. Why does the sun shine?
Because the sunshine eats fruit and vegetables.
Oh, the sun eats fruits and vegetables? Okay. Why is there snow?
Because we have to ski the snow.
We have to ski in the snow. That's right. Why is the grass green?
Because the grass grows.
The grass grows.
It's green grass.
Green grass. That's right. What is the TV for?
It's for you to watch a show.
That's right. Why did the trees have leaves?
Because the trees can grow and sometimes somebody has to cut them.
Sometimes they have to get cut. Why do the stars twinkle in the sky?
Because so it gets dark. So it comes to bedtime.
Yeah, that's right. Where does the sun move in the sky?
Because it goes in the car. And the sun goes in the mountain. Because it goes up and then it wanted some fruit.
It wanted some fruit?
Uh-huh.
Where do the boats go when it's nighttime?
Because it goes in the ocean to Colorado and drops somebody off at Colorado.
The boat does? Drop
Uh-huh.
somebody in Colorado?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Can you tell me why the sky is blue?
Yes, I will. And then the sky is blue. And then the sky it turns into white clouds.
Yeah. Okay. What is the wind?
The wind it helps us go. And then the wind it gets windy.
Okay. Why do you like being a kid?
Because I want to be a kid.
You do?
And that's why
Just
I want to be a Tinkerbell.
You want to be a Tinkerbell?
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's fun. If you could be an animal, what would you be?
I will be a zebra.
Why would you like to be a zebra?
I like to be zebra.
You just like zebras?
Uh-huh.
Those are nice animals.
What's you like to be? What's you like?
What would I like to be? I'd like to be Mac.
Hey, you have to do it like an animal.
I'd like to be a dog.
But that's not an animal.
Mac's not an animal?
Uh-uh.
What is he?
He's a dog.
I know, but a dog is an animal.
It's not that dogs are not animals.
Oh, I disagree, but that's okay. Can you tell me how old I am? How old?
So you have to drink coffee.
I have to drink coffee?
Uh-huh.
Can you tell me how old I am? How many years am I?
You're 3.
How many?
3.
3?
Uh-huh.
You're 3. That's silly. How old's Daddy?
He's 3 too.
Oh. What do you like to do for fun?
Go to the park.
Go to the park?
Uh-huh.
Anything else?
I like to go to the
Swings too. What do you want to be when you grow up?
What's animal?
No.
What?
What do you want to do for work?
Get some mail.
Get some mail?
Uh-huh.
Good answer. Okay. Do you think you're going to get married?
Yes, I will.
You do? Do you think you're going to have children?
Yes.
How many children are you going to have?
5.
Wow, that's a lot. Okay, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is salad and carrots and watermelon.
Wow, that's healthy. That's so good. Okay, what else? Who's your best friend?
Maddie and Dawn and Naya.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay.
And what?
What's your favorite thing to play with?
Strawberry cake with Legos. What's that?
Legos. And your kitchen?
Yeah.
What's your favorite show to watch?
I like backyards and I like all different kinds of soap.
Yeah, you do, huh? Do you have a favorite?
I like all different kinds.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, good answer. Are you scared of anything?
Yes.
What are you scared of?
I'm just scared of a dinosaur.
Dinosaurs?
Uh-huh.
Anything else?
No,
Okay.
just a dinosaur.
Okay, that's pretty good.
And who's a monster? It's scary.
Monsters.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Do you have anything else you want to tell me?
Yeah. You
What?
can tell me something out.
You want me to keep asking you questions?
Yes.
Okay. How do you know I love you?
I love you very, very much.
How do you know I love you?
I love you than bigger than you. I like smaller than you.
Oh.
You are big.
Yeah.
I'm very small.
What do you like about yourself? What's your favorite thing about Reese?
My favorite thing is make stuff with you.
To make stuff. Yeah. What did we make today?
Chicken salad.
Chicken salad. What did we make yesterday? Do you remember?
Salad.
Yeah. What kind? Do you remember what it was called?
Great
Tuna. Tuna melt. Right?
Can I have something?
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.